Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to determine if a system of equations has one, infinite, or no solutions. Let's jump right into the examples and I will explain as we go along. So here for the first question, we have 8x plus 38 is equal to negative 3, and in the parenthesis we have negative 6 minus 4x. So to determine if it has one, infinite, or no solutions, first we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So let's go ahead and simplify this. So we have 8x plus 38 is equal to negative 3 times negative 6, which is 18, and negative 3 times negative 4, which is 12x. Now we're going to put like terms together. So we're going to move the 12 to this side, and we're going to move the 38 to this side. So we're going to have 8x minus 12x is equal to 18 minus 38. If we simplify this further, 8x minus 12x is negative 4x, and 18 minus 38 is negative 20. Now, we can go ahead and solve for x by dividing both sides by negative 4. And here we are left with x is equal to 5. Our simplest form of this solution was negative 4x is equal to negative 20. And we found that x is equal to 5. Now, if I am to place 5 here, it gives me negative 20. But if I am to place any other number, if x was 3, if I place 3, I would get negative 12. If I place 4, I would get negative 16, and so on. So for this condition, when you get a number and only that number satisfies this equation, you have one solution. No other number apart from 5 will make this statement true. So we'll say this statement is true when x is equal to 5 only. Now let's look at our second example. Here we have 4k minus 8 is equal to negative 32 plus 4k. Now, let's go ahead and simplify this and solve for k. We have 4k minus 32 is equal to negative 32 plus 4k. Both sides of the equation are equal. If I am to place any value for k, be it any number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth, this statement is going to be true. So if I have 4 times 0 minus 32 is equal to negative 32 plus 4 times 0, we have negative 32 is equal to negative 32, which is a true statement. If I place, say, instead of 0, I place 2 in the place of k. Then I'm going to have 8 minus 32 is equal to negative 32 plus 8. Again, both of these are exactly the same. We have negative 24 is equal to negative 24. Also true. So, we have determined that this equation is true for any k value. This means it has infinite solutions. Let's go ahead and look at the next example. Here we're given 3 plus 5n is equal to 5 parentheses n plus 2 close parentheses minus 7. So we have 3 plus 5n is equal to, let's simplify this, it becomes 5n plus 10 minus 7. And we're left with 3 plus 5n is equal to 5n plus 3. Again, both sides of the equations are the same. Let's go ahead and solve for n this time. So we'll move 5n to this side and we'll move this 3 to this side. So we're left with 3 minus 3 is equal to 5n minus 5n. 0 is equal to 0. And this is true. Now, if I am to place any other value for n, say I want to say n is 3. I will have 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 times 3 minus 5 times 3. If n was 20, I would have 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 times 20 minus 5 times 20. In both cases, 0 is equal to 0, which is true. So that means that our simplified version of the equation right here, true for any n value, which means it has, again, an infinite number of solutions. Let's go ahead and look at our last example for today. Here we have negative, in parentheses, 3 minus 6b is equal to 6b plus 5. Let's go ahead and simplify this first. We'll open the parentheses. This will become negative 3 plus 6b is equal to 6b plus 5. Let's go ahead and solve for b. So we're going to move 6b to this side, and we're going to go ahead and move 5 on this side. So we have negative 3 minus 5 is equal to 6b minus 6b. We're left with negative 8 is equal to 0. We know this is not true, or this is false. For any value of b, my statement is going to be false. For example, if b was, let's say, 4, I would have 6 times 4 minus 6 times 4, which again, this will be 0 and this will be negative 8, which is false. So our simplest version of this equation, which is right here, is false for any b value. This means that this equation has no solutions. I hope this example tutorial helped. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments, and please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more tutorials with more math questions.